Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be installing and reviewing my Tyger Auto bed cover for my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. There's what it looks like right here. Pretty nice box. Haven't opened it yet. But this is how it comes packaged. There's all your info you need if you also want to order the same one. All right, so I just opened it up. This was your first C. Comes with your seal you're gonna put underneath your bed liner or your bed cover. It comes wrapped in a nice Tyger Auto cover, keep it from getting scratched or ruined. Let's open it up. All right, so we got it all open. You see I got the trifold soft top. It also came with these clips that I read in. It says it's for models with a utility track. You can see right there. And I'm guessing that would go where these holes would be. Mine doesn't have that, so I won't be using these. That is just for the Jeep Gladiator. How to install those tracks. It tells you right here in the nice instruction manual. It's pretty simple. I've installed a few of these, so it all looks pretty familiar. But what you'll have, I'll just show you the instructions for now. You have these safety clamps, the rear clamps, and the front clamps. The front clamps go to the forward all the way by the window. When those lock in, will be hand tightened. And then you have these safety clamps just in case for some reason these fail. You don't want it flying off, you'll have these. And this will lock it in. Once it folds down, that will lock it in. So let me show you. All right, so now that we're in, we have it installed. You're gonna wanna lay it, or we got temp installed. You're gonna wanna lay it all the way out so you know where the front or the back and the front is gonna be sitting. So you don't tighten this down and it be off centered. You're gonna wanna make sure the whole thing's pretty square and even. So I just have it semi-tight, and then these you're just gonna swing over and latch onto this rail. And then once you do that, all you do is righty-tighty, tighten it. And this, you see how the gap's going away? Soon the light, see how it's going down until it's all the way hand tight. You don't want to let any moisture in. And remember that strip seal I showed in the beginning? All right, so that strip seal I showed in the beginning, that's in the box. That's gonna go right here. You see that gap of light? So I'll have to take it back off and put it back on. And that's just gonna fully weatherproof it. You don't have to, it's optional, but it will help seal that up. All right, and lastly, you're gonna wanna hook up these front latches. I'll just show you real quick. That's how they come, just dangling. And then you can tighten it to get more tension or loosen it if it's too tight. You want to push up, get it leveled in the groove. See how it's in the groove now? And then just push down. And that's the final result. All right, you can see this is the finished view. Nice Tyger decal right there. Really good seal all the way around. Let's see how easy it closes. Ooh, look at that tight fitment. There was a little bit of lip here, but that's only because of the slant that goes in, but they fixed it with the foam piece. So there's a foam, there's not actually a gap, there's foam there. Yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this tonneau cover from Tyger Auto. It was the cheapest one I could find for my Jeep Gladiator as well. And it's a really high quality from some of the other ones I've seen. So I highly recommend it. If you want to see more about it or have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.